What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video this afternoon. Right before market closed, I wanted to get this video out because we got some information about Lucid Motors, a company that I haven't talked about on this channel before, but I wanted to get you guys the news that just broke out. Of course, none of this is confirmed, so take this all with a grain of salt. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. So let's go ahead and jump into it and talk about Lucid Motors. So there are some rumors right now. There's a Bloomberg report that came out that Lucid Motors is in talk to go public via a SPAC, and that SPAC that it's in talks with is Churchill Capital Corp 4. The ticker symbol is CCIV. So I'm just going through the article here. It says electric vehicle maker Lucid Motors is in talks to go public through a merger with one of Michael Klein's special purpose acquisition companies, according to people familiar with the matter. So, like I said, nothing confirmed here. A transaction could be valued up to $15 billion, the people said, asking not to be identified because the matter is private. Lucid, which is backed by Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund, is working with financial advisors, the people added. The talks are ongoing, but could still fall apart, okay, guys? So, take this stuff with a big grain of salt. We have nothing confirmed here. I don't even think we have a letter of intent, and obviously we don't have a definitive agreement. Representatives for Lucid Motors and Klein declined to comment, as always. And so we get a little bit more information about the actual SPAC and how CCIV has jumped up. So what do I think? Guys, there's nothing definitive here. I just wanted to get the news out to you guys. This was actually, CCIV was one of those SPACs that I wanted to get into early because I believe in Michael Klein. I believe that, he's a good manager that would probably merge with a very good company. So it was one that was actually on my watch list for a couple of months now, ever since it went public. But I just never bought in because, I don't like having my money tied up into SPACs just waiting for some news to come out. So now that the news has come out, we have some rumors here. We might be seeing some movement when it comes to this SPAC. So this is definitely one that I want you guys to keep on your watch list. Keep it on your radar. It's sitting at $12.55. Obviously, it was sitting at around $10 just before the news broke out. It climbed up 28% to $12.90. It's fallen since then, but it's climbing back up now. So this is one that's, it's a risky move here. You can either invest into something like this. You have the potential to lose $2.54 per share depending on whether or not talks fall apart. So depending on your risk tolerance, this is where we're sitting right now. For me personally, at $2.54, it's really not worth it just yet for me. If this thing was sitting at maybe $11 and we had some rumors, okay, I'm looking at my portfolio, I'm saying I'm risking $1 here per share. That's not that big of a deal. But at $2.54 per share, that's a little bit more risky there. So take a look at your portfolio and try to see if you're willing to take that risk, because this could easily go back down to $10 if this just ends up being, just some rumors that don't end up actually solidifying into either a letter of intent or a definitive agreement. Obviously, if we start hearing more about this type of stuff, going into letter of intent territory or definitive agreement territory, then this is when this becomes interesting and this gamble might end up paying off. So, as always, do your deep digging. Go through, read the articles yourself. I don't think there's any SEC filings yet, obviously, because these are just rumors right now. So go through, look at the information that we have so far, and try to see whether or not you want to take the risk or not. For me personally, not just yet, because as always, these are just rumors, and you know how the stock market acts when it comes to rumors. Obviously, it's going to go up, but I need something a little bit more definitive personally, guys. This is just me. Obviously, you can go out and make your own informed decisions. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching. A comment down below is always appreciated. A thumbs up as well. If you guys are new around here, please subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. I love Lucid Motors. I know I haven't talked about them because they're not a public company. I really like the company. They're set to start making vehicles sometime this year and have a model ready for commercialization in 2022. So I like the company. And I think the company that they merge with, or if they go IPO, or if they merge with a SPAC, I think it's going to be a good thing for all of us. I just don't know whether or not it's going to be CCIV yet. And until something more definitive comes out, like a letter of intent, me personally, I try to shy away from some of these things. But if you like the risk, there you go. Just getting that information out to you guys. I appreciate you guys. Peace out.